How to add Python installation to path environment variables in Windows 11. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, and if you find it useful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Now, what you need to do is to go to the path where you had installed your Python. So I'm going to go to the File Explorer, then I'll go to Local Disk C, then I'll go to Program Files, then you need to search for Python. As you can see, here is where I had installed my Python. So you are going to open the folder. Then this is the file path of Python. So you are going to click on this drop down arrow. Then it will highlight the path for Python. So you need to copy it, Ctrl C to copy it. Then once you've done that, you'll minimize this. Then go to the search. Then search for edit environment variables for your account. So you're going to see this here. Click on open. Then it will land you here. So under system variables, just below these user variables for your PC, you are going to see system variables. For this one here, you are going to scroll down a little bit, then you will see path. So select it, then you will give it time for it to load, as you can see here. Then once you have selected it, click on OK. Then again you'll go to the search, then environment. I'm going to open it again, then variables, then I'll go to path. Then as you can see, you can now edit it. So just click on edit, then it will land here. So you're going to add a new, then you will paste the path which you have copied from File Explorer. So as you can see, this is the file path for Python. So once you've done that, you are just going to click on OK, then OK, then OK. Then you'll go to search again, then search for CMD, then open, then type Python space -version, then press on enter. So as you can see, the version is here. So that's really it, guys. That's how you can add Python installation to environment variables in Windows 11. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.